Today's Winter Around the World celebration at True North International School was amazing. The weather was great, the air was nice, and the students had a great time. Thank you again for everyone that joined us today. I hope you had fun experiencing Winter Around the World.
Today here at True North, we had our annual Winter Around the World 2025, and we had more than 300 families participating in today's event. Our students represented different countries. They had a booth that they prepared, different types of food. They had games, activities, and some great performances by our students. We all enjoyed it. It allowed us to celebrate our diversity, also allowed us to build culture and community here at True North.
Well, clearly we're having a lot of fun at the festival. It's always really nice to see so many cultures together in the same place. It's really nice to see that there's so many different countries living in Vietnam at the same time as well.
我觉得今天的这个国际节日的话，对于大家了解其他国家的一些文化是一个重要的一个渠道。我觉得这样的活动很有意思，让大家可以了解更多各种各样的国家的文化、美食，还有一些节日之类的，很有意思。
Today I visited this True North Festival that is Winter Around the World. So this is so nice celebration, and the booths are so nice. And I tasted so many foods. So I'm very happy with the teachers, staff members, and all.
Cho nên chúng tôi đã có một sự kiện Winter Around the World thực sự là hiệu quả, tưng bừng và rực rỡ. Xin cảm ơn tất cả các quý vị phụ huynh, các con và tất cả các thầy cô giáo.